boy, it's okay, Blue. So we got Blue checking him out. Blue, hey, good boy. So I'm watching his body language. Good boy, it's okay. He kind of raised his old hackles up a little bit. So that's what I want to see right there. He ain't really trying to paw him or anything. Now, I know as a matter of fact, I can put Blue on those pigs right now. I'm not going to demonstrate, but I know my dog. I know Blue. Blue likes to work. He likes to hunt. He likes to chase. So if those pigs went to walking around, then he may show more interest, but I told him to leave him alone, and that's what he did. Good boy, Blue. Good. Check him out. Hey, check him out. Blue, check him out. Good boy. Good. 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 Ah, don't go to nibbling. All right.